In late 19th and 20th century, the Torren System was introduced. The land enactment was introduced in the states of Johor, Kedah, Kelantan, Perlis, and Terengganu as early as from year of 1912. So, what is Torren System? Before the Torren systems, all land belonged to the sovereign and others were allowed to use the land as long as 10% of the profit made off of it went back to the sovereign. Some interesting facts of Malaysia's land laws before the Torren system show how they were influenced by the popular religion of Islam. For instance, land that was obtained during marriage by a husband while a wife was working only as a housewife would be given to the wife in the event of the husband's death or divorce. The National Land Code 1965 was made effective from 1 January 1966, whereby henceforth a uniform system of land tenure and dealing existed throughout Peninsular Malaysia. Penang and Malacca was also absorbed into the system by the promulgation of the Penang and Malacca Titles Act 1963. In the gist, the system practice is commonly referred to as the Torren system or the registration of title system. It owed its original name after Sir Robert Torrens, who earlier had introduced it into South Australia, which thereafter spread throughout Australia and eventually reaching our shores. The Torrens system is basically a system of registration of titles and dealings on the land in order to have a system that is reliable, simple, cheap, speedy, and suited to the needs of the community. The Torrens system is a mode of conveyancing whereby the title to the land and interest in land depends upon registration and not upon instrument inter partes. The register is given utmost importance. In Tebi versus Marmuto case, it was said that under the Torrent system, the register is everything, and it would be wrong to allow an investigation as a right of the person to appear upon the register when he holds the certificate of title. Torrent system confers indefeasible title upon registration. However, indefeasibility can be defeated where the transferee himself is guilty of fraud or forgery or misrepresentation or mistake or void instrument or the title was unlawfully acquired. Other than that, any dealing in respect of an alienated land or interest in land must be registered with the relevant land registry in order to confer title or interest on the new proprietor or interest holder.
Created using Powtoon.